Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about lesson 34, which is writing numbers up to like 100 million. Huge. And we have a lot of practicing and a lot of digits to write out. First off, and words. First off, and I apologize for my messy handwriting. This little pencil is a little tricky and it's a little finicky today, so bear with me. Our first thing is that we need to write this in words. So I need to go and look. I know that this is my goes up to 100, then I have my thousands, and then this is the millions category. That's a lot. So here we go. We go 121 million. So if I start that off first. 120. Guys, I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit this. 1 million. Whew, thank goodness we don't have too many. 340,000. 340,000. Try and squish it in as best you can. That's a lot. The next one, we know here we have our hundreds, our 0, 10, hundreds. Then we have our thousands, our 1,000, 10,000, and 5 and 100,000. So this tells me that this category is in the millions. So we say, just like it looks, 12 million. Comma, and then we say this is our thousands, so 507,000 and thankfully we don't have a lot more because we would not have a 7,000. Okay, now our next one. Whew. Thank goodness our numbers are getting a little teeny bit smaller. Once more, we know that this is our tens. Wait, ones, tens, hundreds. Then these are the thousands. This is the million. So 5 million, comma, and then we say 75,000. 7 T hyphen 5,000. This is a lot. Okay. Now, they want you to take words and write them into numbers. So 25 million. I know that I'm going to write down my 25. This is in the millions category. Then I have 3 zeros in the thousands slot. And then I have a 0 for my 100, a 0 for my 10, and a 0 for my ones. The way I see it is if you want to go with a million, you need 6 zeros or 6 place settings, 6 spots before you jump into a million. So when I start counting zeros when I'm looking at big numbers, and that helps me figure it out. Here, 12,500,000. 12, 500. Those are our thousands. And then we add 3 more. And if you count this, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that when you get into the millions, it's the 7th place value, 7th, 8th, and 9th place value on your number. 280 million. Here we go. We know how to write 280. Pretty easy. And now, here are the 3 zeros in the thousands. And then 3 more zeros. That's a lot. Finally, I'm sorry I had to abbreviate a little because I just could not fit it in. What is greater, 34 million or 43 million? No brainer here. We know that 43 is greater than 34, whether it's 1,000 or a million. Now, they want you to organize these into least to greatest. So we've got to look for the smallest. Now, if I were to look at this, I would say 5 looks like a small number, but they're saying 5 million. 225,000 and 750,000. So you have to look at place value here. We know that thousands are smaller than millions. So automatically we know that these two guys are smaller than this 5 million guy, even though when you look at it, it's only like, oh, it's only one digit. So it starts off the smallest. If we were to say 750,000 compared to 25,000, we know right now off the bat, 25,000 is the first one, because that's the smallest. We'll put a little semicolon. Then we go 750,000. Oh, guys, I hope I can squish it in. And then our very last one, I'm going to abbreviate this, is 500 million. Well, I think I can do it. 500 million, 5 million. And finally, here we go. 12, they want us to organize this. Look at these 6 zeros. We automatically know that this is a million. We know that this is 987,000. And then this little guy, 12,350. So we know the smallest is 12,375. The next one is going to be, even though it looks bigger, 987,000 is not quite a million. It's actually a little less. And then we're going to write a million. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there you have it, the practice set for lesson 34. Guys, this is awesome practice. I wish you well at the homework.